Pasta is one of those dishes that brings people together. And today, I'm diving into the world of famous pasta recipes that are trending right now. First up, let's talk about the creamy, dreamy carbonara. Made with just a few ingredients: spaghetti, eggs, cheese, pancetta, and black pepper. It's all about that silky sauce that clings to every strand. Then there's the classic pesto pasta, bursting with fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, and parmesan. It's vibrant, aromatic, and perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. And who can forget about the indulgent lasagna? Layered with rich meat sauce, creamy bechamel, and gooey cheese, it's comfort food at its finest. Finally, let's not overlook the trendy one-pot pasta dishes. They're a game changer, cooking everything together for maximum flavor and minimal cleanup. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, these pasta recipes are sure to impress and satisfy. So grab your ingredients and get cooking.